What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping in, this is Speed Addict 731 and my name is Ken. So today we are in the wife's car. I still have the radials, the drag wheels and radials on the 17 GT from the other day of the track, and as you can tell, it is about to look like it might do a little raining. So to avoid getting caught out in Mickey Thompson EG Street R's, we decided to take the wife's car. I wanted to do a little video today on a few questions that I've been getting asked since I put the blower on the 17. One is the cost, the second one is installation time and difficulty, and the third one is what kind of warranty do I have left since I installed the blower. Alright, to cover the cost, it's pretty straightforward. The supercharger kit, the phase 2 727 horsepower Roush kit costs $74.99 shipped, so basically $7,500. It comes with everything that you need, the Roush tune, blower, everything that you need to bolt it on. Right. I did the installation, so there was no installation cost. I will say, a rough guess, if a shop was to install it, you're probably looking at $1,000 to $1,500. Do not quote me on that. Find a local shop that you trust, call them up, see how much they'll install it for. On to the installation. The installation time. I started working on it on Friday evening. I worked on it most of Saturday and some of Sunday and got it completed. I was not in a rush. I had a few friends stop by and help me, and we'd stop and chit chat. We'd grab a bite to eat. So I did not work on it the entire time. I will say, set aside the majority of the weekend to do the install, just to make sure that you get it all done in timely fashion. As far as difficulty, if you have basic knowledge and ability to work on a car, you should have no problem. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Not real difficult to do the installation. It's pretty much a bolt-on affair. The only thing that would kind of off is the grinding and the cutting that you have to do. If you have not watched the installation video, head back and watch the installation video where I installed it. You'll see where you had to cut and grind in detail. But if you take your time, you should have no problem. If you do not feel comfortable doing the install, have a shop that you trust do the install for you. Now on to the warranty. For all purposes, the warranty on my engine, and I'm going to go as far as say probably transmission, is done. If you do modification to your vehicle, most of the time you are going to void the warranty on the only parts of the vehicle. For example, bolting a supercharger or a turbo on, you're pretty much going to do away with the warranty on the engine for that. You put a tune in, most time it's going to void the warranty on the engine and transmission, depending on what happens. You might find a little gray area there and get something covered, but don't count on it. Alright, now if you get the phase 1 kit, I will say this: if you buy the phase 1 kit from Roush, for an additional $1,000, you can get a warranty on your engine. So you'll have to visit the Roush website for a little more detail on that, but it is available on the phase 1 only. I believe that's a 670 horsepower kit, but the 727 horsepower kit is, you're done. There's no warranty. Only warranty you have is the warranty on parts, the Roush parts from Roush, 3-year, 36,000 I believe on the warranty. And guys, real quick, as I anticipated, we are getting rain, so good move not to bring the 17 with the radials. I would have hated getting caught out in this. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this video kind of short. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.